How to fix Facebook broken links. Hello everyone, in this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly in the open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook, and then when you find the Facebook, you have to open it like this and go to storage option. Click now on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then back and click on force stop, and click also OK. Now you have to go to this option appear on top, and you have to allow it like this, and after this your problem will be solved correctly. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.